This is the Damp-proof Fit family. So here we have on the packaging the key information like the product name, the key features like IP65, IK8, 160 lumen per watt, 115 degree beam angle, 5 years guarantee, and 3 color temperatures because we have multicolor in this product and multi-lumen. What are the specs is also mentioned in this table. And in the lower table you have all the settings for multi-lumen and multicolor. The grey area shows you which is the factory setting, as a default. On the packaging, besides the product label, we have other important information. Just for example, the product picture and also the family name, Damp-proof Fit. As well as additional information about the dimensions of the product. And also the accessories included. On top, we have, of course, some information about legal, replaceability and recycling. So here we see all 3 products of the Damp-proof Fit family. 600mm, then 1m20 and 1m50. Now, let's take a closer look at the product. So we have this nice diffuser which makes a homogeneous lighting, and we have the easy to install fastener clips. When I run my finger, they are very smooth. Also here on the body, we have a long length for installation. This means it is easy to reuse the existing mounting holes. We have additional cutouts for cable gland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 cable gland is already pre-installed. The existing cable gland is suitable for 3 times 1.5 square millimeter installation cables and up to 5 times 2.5 square millimeter installation cables. It is also nicely hidden behind the luminaire. There is also a through wiring kit accessory available. Let's have a look inside the luminaire now. Just easily open the clips. And I have the accessories inside here. Everything included in the paper bag. The connector for mains connection. It is tool-free, but it's also possible to push buttons and change the interwiring for through wiring. So if you want to change this, I can push just here. I can also remove it and exchange to a 5-pole connector or do easily the wire changing. Here the driver, it is suitable for multicolor. Here is the multicolor switch. So it comes with 4000 Kelvin. I can change to 5000 Kelvin or 6500 Kelvin. Below here is the dip switch for the multi-lumen where I can change the luminous flux. So there are also optional mounting holes for different components and also for through wiring a cable holder system inside. It's also super easy to close the luminaire after installation with a fastening clips, and then the luminaire is perfectly installed in the ceiling. And that's how quickly and efficiently the Damp-proof Fit luminaire can be installed and configured.